Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to view the flyby on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it already downloaded into your phone. If you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open this Strava application out. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it. And create an account. And of course, you'll have three options to create your account. They'll give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option to create your account. Choose whatever suits you. And once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at this home option with the Strava application. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to view the flyby on the Strava application. So Flyby is a Strava Labs tool that lets you play back your activities as well as those near you on the map or even the timeline. And you can access your flyby by clicking the button of your activity detail page on the web. Alternatively, you can manually enter your activity ID into the flyby tool. So people will see, okay, I don't see Strava. So why can't I see like flybys on the Strava application? So flyby sharing is turned off by default for all Strava users. When this settings is turned off, all you need to do no one will actually be able to see your activities by using this feature. So of course, if you want to share your activities flyby, you'll need just to change the flyby privacy on the controls to everyone. You can just go here to you at the bottom right corner, click at the settings at the top right corner, then go to this preference option or section and click add this privacy control, and make sure to go to this flyby and make it on everyone, and you will be good to go and you will be able to see them. Of course, people will be able to see yours as well. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.